Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest version for your earbuds. So go to the HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, scroll down and at the bottom, at the right side, we have update button. Tap at this button and check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. You can check for updates again if you want to. Now, if you haven't, at the bottom you will see a button download and install. Before you tap at this button, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then tap at the download and install and wait until this update finished. Don't use your earbuds. Next step is to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, and after that time open the case and check is it fixed. Next, if both of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom, at the right side, we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. So press and hold, firstly it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode. Just keep holding this button. And we have the red LED light. So you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with a phone or with another device. If you use dual connection, you need to reconnect them with both your devices. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, but right now on iOS 26 it doesn't work, maybe they will fix it in the future. If you have iOS 26, you can also turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So, you will see them at the device list, you don't need to use connectional button, just tap at your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!